Quick tips: everything you need to know.
There are many things that can be tidied in just a few minutes. Make your bed. Clean up your kitchen counters. Wipe down your bathroom sink and toilet. Put away your clothes that are lying around. Organize your desk or workspace. Straighten up your living room cushions and throw pillows. Clear out any visible clutter in your entryway. Tidy up your bookshelf or entertainment center. Fold and put away any laundry that's been sitting out. Clean up any dishes that have been left in the sink. Organize your pantry or food storage area. Clear off your dining table. Put away any toys or games that have been left out. Straighten up your shoe collection. Empty your garbage or recycling bin.